Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok video stuck on processing. So let's say you're trying to upload a video on TikTok and everything is fine, but at the end step where it says processing, it just keeps on getting stuck over there. It doesn't get uploaded. Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. The first thing could be that the internet is really slow. So if your internet is really slow, then your video is not going to be uploaded. That's also the reason. So you can just go to your browser and just go to normal website. So let's say I go to a normal website over here. So if this website loads up easily, so a normal website, then your internet is not the problem. But if it takes 5 or like 6 minutes just to load a simple website, then it's your internet connection. If that's the case, change into a faster or like a stronger internet connection. All right. And even after having a strong internet connection, if you're still facing the problem, then what you can do is you can go to your app store over here, and on your app store you want to search for TikTok. Why you want to search for TikTok is to check if there's any update. So mine says open, which means my TikTok is up to date. But if it says update over here instead of open, that means my TikTok needed an update and I have to update it. After updating your TikTok, it should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, then make sure to delete your TikTok, reinstall it again. Sometimes there's a problem with the TikTok, so deleting and reinstalling your TikTok should reset the problem and it should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we have to check if TikTok servers are down or not, because sometimes TikTok closes their server in order to update their app. So if that's the time you're trying to upload the video, it's not gonna work. So for that, you can go to your browser and just search for is TikTok down right now. You can just search for it like this. So sorry, my spelling of right was mistake, so I'm just gonna search for is TikTok down right now. You can click on the first one, TikTok down. You can click on it and it's gonna show you. So if at the current time we can't see any spike, which means TikTok is not down right now. But if you see major spike over here at right now, then it's gonna be like TikTok is down. But right now it's simple, so it's not down. All right, you can do that. But let's say TikTok is not down, your internet is fast, it's up to date, but it's still causing the problem. Then it could be that the video you're trying to upload violates the guideline of TikTok. So TikTok doesn't allow you to upload harmful content. So if you're trying to upload some content that is harmful, then it could also be the reason that's stopping you from uploading it. All right, so you have to check that as well. So yeah, these are all the steps which you need to do in order to fix your TikTok video stuck on processing. And make sure to report the problem if any of the method I told you didn't work. All right, so hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.